All right, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you find any of this information, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. But let's jump to it. I'm going to do an update on my all-in-one indicator with another indicator that will help you if you're on TradingView, and especially if you have the free version, because on the free version, when you have your chart open, you can only use two indicators. I'll quickly show you how to get this all-in-one indicator that has a whole bunch of indicators in it, so that you can get a lot more value. And then I'll show you an indicator that I add that confirms these signals that these buy and sell signals. So we'll jump to it. This is TradingView. And this is what you'll get when you open the front page. So to get to charts, we're just going to go to products here, and you can click on the super charts here. And I've got VOO for showing purposes today. And as you can see, already looking, you'll see these little marks, buy and sell, which is what I'm going to discuss today. If you see my other channels, for those that are new, I'll quickly show you how you even put these on. You're going to go over here to indicators, or how to find it. You go over here to indicators, and you're just going to simply type in SMA 9/50/180, and it will pop EMA 20 buy sell, and it's you'll see the creator here, M. Phillips. And it's a pretty popular one, and you can just hit the star and add it to your favorites, so you'll always have it. You can just, and then you can just click on it and it can show up. If you do click on it, it's going to look a little bit different than I have on my map, because I've adjusted mine. If you want to adjust them, you can just come over here and you click this like little octagon thing with the click circle. It's settings. So we just click on that, and it's got style is what you want to get into. And I've just unclicked one. It's this little buy sell chart line. As you can see, it's pretty helpful too. It's something extra. I just don't, for my personal preference, I just don't really care for it. But a lot of people find it very helpful. But it does kind of add up with the buy and sell, and some people do find it very useful. But if you don't like it, or if you don't want that thing, you can just the chart line, you can just click it off and it disappears. And as you can see, this is telling you what lines I have. The SMA 9 is the red, the EMA 20 is the yellow, SMA 50 is this blue one, and the white one down here is they have it labeled as a SMA 180. If you wanted to change, some people like a 200 line there instead of the 180. I just change it because you can just come here in inputs, and you can see right here, and you can just easily, you just highlight this and change it to 200. So we're going to get out of there and hit OK. So we're back here, and let's say sometimes we're not really sure, because you wouldn't see all of this chart. But I'm going to tell you another signal that you can add. So of course I would usually have the MACD, which is in here. I would usually have that, which is okay, because now you only have two to maybe confirm. But sometimes the MACD, as you can see, is kind of slow. As you can see, we got a buy here, but then it crosses here, and you can see it crosses here, which would be a confirmation. And let's see, you can see usually it's pretty slow, and then it maybe kind of does it here. You see the buy, and then down here MACD confirms it, but it's always a little late, a little slow. Well, I've got one that's a little bit quicker sometimes. That's what I'll talk to now. Let's get rid of these drawings. So of course we wouldn't be able to use the MACD here, because I'm going to show you a different one that acts a little bit quicker sometimes. you can just simply click delete this. There's a little trash can. We'll get rid of that. Then I'm going to go to indicators. You would, and we're going to use a stochastic RSI. You can type in STOSCH, stochastic, or STOCH, and then it pops up there right there. I've already got it on my favorites. You would just simply click on it and get it to pop up here, and we'll go back to the main screen here. And as you can see, it's kind of like an RSI, but it's got two other lines. So you've got when this blue line crosses, usually that's a pretty good sign. And then if there's a line, I'll mark it to you real quick here. Right here, you got the 20. So if usually you got the cross here, and as you can see, we got the buy coming here, kind of point down, so you can kind of see. So it crosses early, and then this confirmation would be once the blue or red crosses above this, which you can see it's just a little early to give you confirmation there. So that's one. And well, here's two. It kind of goes up here, and you didn't get a buy signal. You may want it to get out when it goes under. You may play the red line, and once the bars go below that, you may get out. Well, then this kind of confirms, the stochastic RSI confirms that this is a good one once one of your candles jumps back above the 9, which there is no buy signal, but there was really no sell, because this sell signal looks like it really doesn't. It does a full candle close. It looks like it's like right in here, that it's below the SMA 9, that it gives you the sell. On this one, it's still touching, so it didn't go up. And it only does it by red. It doesn't do it by green. So you may want a different strategy. But let's see if it matches up again. There's a buy signal here. And if we go straight down, you'll see that the stochastic already went cross before, right here as it crosses. And then it's kind of starts hitting above what it gave you, maybe a day or two. But as you can see, it would have went up. Kind of gives you another confirmation that this buy signal is real, if it's a good idea. I mean, if you want to be more careful, you could have waited and bought here, but this is just another confirmation. So the video is starting to go longer than I usually like. We're at 8 minutes here, so I like to give you things that are short and sweet. I hope this kind of helps you, give you one more indicator. I hope this helps you with deciding your trades, and I may leave it at this here until my next video. So if you find this useful, go ahead, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. But other than that, I will see you on the next trade, and I hope you have a good day.